That's all the feathers we have left. So if there's nothing there for everybody, they can have them, but I don't want people hiding with feathers.
That's true. Well,
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
That was a good morning. Good job, guys. It's better than any class has given me. So you guys really excited?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so we are actually seeing locomotion, as you can see. Go ahead.
Let's say that we're trying to make a volcano.
A volcano? Mm-hmm.
It will work by getting, I forgot what. Is it like a hypothesis?
That's exactly right. It's called a hypothesis. I'm actually Conductor Jay, and I'm going to let the rest of my team introduce themselves to you.
I'm Brakeman Andres.
And I am Mechanic Ashley.
And I'm Engineer Jacob.
So what do you think the next thing to do? Once you have your hypothesis, what do you do? Go ahead.
They test this experiment to see what will really happen.
That is exactly right. You test it. That's the fun part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got the crazy scientists that do mad science, right? Okay. So do you know what the third thing a scientist does? So you have the hypothesis, you test it. What's the third thing? You take notes. You do take notes. And so what are you taking notes of?
How you doing it?
How you're doing it.
What you put in it.
Yep. You had your hand up.
What happened?
What happened? That's exactly right. So you take your results down. So and you go back. You say what happened. See, you guessed exactly what my wording was. What happened? And you look back and say, was my guess right? So you did your initial hypothesis, and now you look back and see if your guess was right. What do you think science is? Or what science is? Go ahead. What do you think science is? Go ahead.
Science is like you make different kind of stuffs.
Oh.
Like you make like machines, and you learn about more stuff about planets and space and all that stuff.
I think scientists studies the Earth. Figure out what things do, like,
Do you know what the last thing that a scientist does? No? No. You tell it to the rest of the world. So you write it so that other people can see what you've done, other scientists, and that way they don't have to repeat the same experiments over and over again, right? Because then we wouldn't make any progress. That's how scientists do progress. So crazy. Yeah. So that's what makes the world go around, right? What's going to happen if I throw this up in the air?
it'll drop.
It'll drop? Yep. So you just had your, what did he just do?
Hypothesis.
He made his hypothesis, that's right. So what do I have to do next? Drop it, or throw it, either way. Came back down, right?
Yeah.
So there was the force of me pushing it up. What caused it to come back down? You guys, you can say it. Gravity! There you go. Gravity, that's right. So on Earth, we have a force pushing us down so that we don't float off into space, right?
Big magnet.
Yeah, it's kind of like a big magnet.
We'll get out of Earth and go come to space.
What?
We'll be in space if we don't have gravity.
Yeah, if we did not have gravity, we would just float off into space because there's nothing. So if I jump up, I come back down, right? If I jumped and I couldn't come back down, where would I go? I just keep going up. All right, so this is just what you think. It's okay. You don't have to be right or wrong. You're going to do it all tomorrow. And then, Thursday. Have I been saying tomorrow?
I like that one and that one. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Hi Jordan.
Guys.
President.
done. Do we have to draw this? Where do we